Yes, I'm Ira. I'm the VP of Marketing Business Development for MMD Smart. We're an international global telecom carrier. We also work directly with enterprises, sending their SMS for them. We optimize their SMS for better conversion, which helps them achieve their KPIs. And happy to announce that just last month we launched our platform, our messaging platform, rebranded, called MessageWhiz.com, which has all the information that any enterprise company would need to know about what it is to send an enterprise SMS, what are some of the hoops that they have to jump through, how they need to plan out the business plan and the model. It gives them a couple of tutorials that shows them how to set up a campaign on their own. And they can also, if they want to access our portal from there in order to send their campaigns on their own, or else to interconnect with our messaging specialist team who will help them set up their A2P campaign. So one of the things that we found out when we came out with the platform is that there are verticals that will use other means rather than mobile to communicate with their customers or potential clients, and we were amazed to find that out. Those of us who come from the telecom space, particularly from the mobile space, it's a given that everyone's in mobile. There are a lot of companies, brands included, a lot of messaging, online marketing companies, digital marketing companies that are using emails to communicate with potential clients. They're using on-screen ads, but they're not really using the power of mobile, which, as we all know, is ubiquitous in everybody's hands. And so the opportunity is huge, if only because, as we all know, mobile has a much higher open rate, a mobile text message than an email. And so companies are seeing that they're using the wrong platform in order to communicate with their clients rather than the most trusted and efficient channel. And so what we've done is we've just made it easier, more accessible for companies that don't have an IT manager, don't necessarily understand the tech speak, for them to get there, and then we give them the opportunity to not just send the SMS message as part of the bulk package, but to actually optimize the actual SMS that they're getting. People called us crazy because we're taking some real risks, because if they're only going to pay us if they succeed in achieving their KPIs, then we're taking the risk of sending all those messages without getting back anything. And so what we've done is that we have these conversion API, we have delivery API, which takes that information and makes sure that they're going to reach their KPI, which is why my boss allowed us to sell this product. And the results have been absolutely amazing. It's just absolutely amazing, with significantly higher conversion rates, 20-30% higher conversion rates in companies we're getting for the exact same campaigns, but done differently, done more efficiently, done more smartly. We want to roll it out. We don't want to roll it out too quickly. I think one of the things that we've shown in doing this is that we can still do a big business, but with a personal touch. And so the enterprises that want to send a campaign and want to optimize the campaign, they get to work with a messaging specialist team who understand how to achieve conversion. They've been trained for that. They also understand a lot of the issues about compliancy, where I can send which messages, what messages can't I send to different places. And because of that, the clients are feeling that they're really getting a personal touch in how to design a campaign. I mean, a lot of SMEs have no marketing manager. There's nobody there. They don't have any idea how to do a campaign. And so we're basically combining the consulting, SMS consulting, together with SMS performance. And it's a unique package. And it's something that we're going to try and roll out to as many companies as possible. We're theoretically a small company, so we'll have to find the right partners to work with on that, because we can't cover all geographies. The platform that I mentioned before, the new website, is meant to also enable accessibility to those companies that we don't personally get to. So but won't tell a secret, we're also working on some of those chatbots and AI. We're already using AI, but we're working on some of the chatbots to manage the dialogue. A lot of RCS is those type of dialogues with chatbots. RCS, I think the verdict is still out. A lot will depend on the Apple relationship with Google and how that pans out. A lot will depend if anybody gets the business model correct, because right now the business model is a big unknown. And we want to make sure that it'll be priced properly without cannibalizing an SMS, and making sure that the companies that are using it feel they're still getting value on the price point. So I think that the jury is still out. We're not totally joined into RCS yet. I think that it's an exciting thing for the industry to have this possibility. I think it looks great when you get those type of message and you have that sort of a session, interaction session on a handset. I think there are a lot of other things. You mentioned AI and chatbots. SMS and the whole ability to integrate it maybe with some of the popular OTTs or other chats is another way for SMS to have a great deal of strength going in the future. I don't see it going away. If anything, we've basically gambled our future on the future of SMS, so we certainly see a bright prognosis ahead.